Have you ever noticed that by the middle of the school day you feel gross, sweaty, and don't smell that great? Wouldn't it be great if you could smell fresh all day long? In this video, we're going to discuss some effective ways for you to stay fresh all day long, whether you're working or studying. The first step is I shower every morning. This is a must when it comes to smelling good. The body produces so much sweat when you're sleeping. That's why you need to take that morning shower. This is what I do to smell. Fresh step one is body. I use a body wash that smells good, and I invest in an organic body wash by Dr. Woods. It smells really nice. And if you see a body wash in the store that has some chemicals that you don't know how to pronounce, don't buy them. I don't know why, but there are some parts of the body that men don't like to wash. Instead, they simply use water in the shower. Because of this, I make sure to clean your armpits, your balls, and your ass, because here is where the dirt and sweat are built. Step 2 is hidden hair smell. Your hair can absolutely smell terrible, and you would never notice it. And it all starts with your scalp. So I wash my hair every 3 days using conditioner and shampoo. When you don't wash your hair, use conditioner, only to minimize the frizz. When you apply the conditioner, wait for 5 minutes for the condition to go through your hair. And always pay attention to the signals your scalp sends you. Is it dry, oily, itchy? Identifying these signs can help you pick the right products. Always choose a shampoo based on your hair and scalp's needs. If you've got an oily scalp, go for something balancing dry hair.
Step 3 is teeth is how to get fresh breath before I brush my teeth. I use a teaspoon of coconut oil. It reduces bad bacteria in the mouth and gets rid of bad breath. Leave it in your mouth for 3 minutes. I don't spit into the sink because it can cause blockage. I spit it in the trash when I'm done, and I brush my teeth with an electric toothbrush, and you need to buy the one that has a timer on it. I've been using it for a year, and it's doing a great job. The bad breath comes from the white dirt on the back of the tongue. That's why I use a tongue scraper for that white dirt. Then I use an organic mouthwash. Then I'll floss my teeth with this dental flosser. Not only it will floss your teeth, and also it'll keep your breath smelling nice. We have some recommendation down below. Step 4 is shaving. You need to shave the armpits in that jungle down there because it's going to cause so much bacteria and can lead to sweat and a bad smell. I shave with Manscaped, and it's waterproof, so you can shave in the shower, and it's safe for your private parts. This video is not sponsored. I just like to use their products. Step 5 is use deodorant and cologne. People frequently compliment my cologne, especially women, so I can be of great assistance to you. I use Nivea for men deodorant, which smells good and which I use when I get out of the shower. I make sure to apply it to a shaved armpit, after which you can add cologne. If you have the money, I highly recommend investing in Creed, which costs $495 but attracts attention around you constantly. It's going to make people want to be around you 24/7. And the last step is freshness kit. There are days when everything appears to be going perfectly, and then there are those unforeseen occasions when we wish we had a small backup. The basic essentials wipes, whether they're general cleansing wipes or facial ones, are perfect for a quick refresh, helping remove dirt, oil, or sweat. Travel deodorant. A mini-sized deodorant can be a lifesaver, especially after gym class. Toothbrush and mini toothpaste keep your breath fresh all day in between classes or after lunch. That's it. When I applied these steps, people started treating me better, and I feel more refreshed and more confident. If you want more content like this, hit the like button and subscribe.